For this project, I'm going to show you how to make a musical instrument. Okay, hear it. Super cool. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, the materials for this project is going to be a bottle. So the bottle can be 3 liters, 2 liters, whatever you like. You can use a wooden dowel. Just be sure that it actually fits inside the bottle, okay? It needs to fit inside the bottle, okay? The length is going to be, I'm going to use like a meter, okay? It can be 90 centimeters or 1 meter, it's your choice. But I'm going to use PVC because at the end I'm going to show you a variation of the instrument. So I'm using a 1/2 inch PVC because it fits nicely, okay, inside the bottle, okay. Here, looks cool. Yeah, and I use this part because I won't like to make like a bridge here, so the string doesn't stay in contact with the tube, okay, so with the pipe, okay. So that's why I use this one. But if you don't have it, it's okay. You can put another thing there, a little piece of wood or whatever, okay. Also, you will need thread, okay. How much? I'm using like between 3 or 4 meters, okay. But if you want one of this, actually you do all the stringing and then you cut it, okay. And that's it. Oh, by the way, you need to know a few knots, only 2, okay. I'm going to show you how to make those knots, so don't worry, okay. So let's begin with the knots. I'm going to use big cords for them, okay. So keep watching and we start with the knots. Thank you. Okay, let me show you how it's going to make the first knot. I call it the curious rabbit, okay. First we are going to make the rabbit hole. So we need a loop, okay. Look how am I doing? It's in the front of my finger, okay. That's the loop. This is the hole of the rabbit. This is the rabbit. The rabbit pokes out of the hole. Hello everybody. And it says a tree. This is a tree. This is a tree. Goes around the tree, okay, and come back around the tree and gets again in the hole. Very good. And then you pull them. Pull the rabbit and the tree, okay. Very good. Let's do it again. Oh, for the bottle you need a fair amount. You are going to need a big hole, okay. So here it goes again. We make the rabbit hole. Remember, it goes in front of my finger, so it stays here in front of the other cord. Then we take out the rabbit. The rabbit goes out of the hole, sees a tree, goes around the tree in the back part of the tree, and then comes back again to the hole, gets down in his house again, okay. You pull the rabbit and the tree, okay, so you can make this special knot, okay. Very good. And there it is, okay. This knot is very important because it's very strong, okay, and we need it for the bottle. This one is going to be here, okay. We're going to put it like here. Very good. You see it? And this one is going to be more or less here in between this area, okay. Very good. Now, excellent. Let me show you the other knot, okay. Bye bye. Okay, let's go for the second knot. This is a tension knot, okay? We are going to need to adjust the tension of the guitar of this instrument, okay? So let's start, okay? So first we need to go a loop, but we go in front of the chord, okay? So we are going to make one loop, yeah, another loop, very good. We have two loops here, you see it, and then this one goes in the front of the other rope, okay? Rope is going to be in front. Then go backward, back of the other one like this, and it's going to get inside this hole, okay? Look, we have the two strings here inside the hole, okay? And we are going to hold it, okay? Very good. This is a tension because we can slip the chord here, you see, we can slip it. But if we apply force, it can not slip back. If we need to do it, slip back again, we do it like this, okay? So that's why we are going to make, say that this is a tension knot, okay? Very good. Let's do it again. Okay, very good. So first we go on top of the other chord, we make a loop, very good, another loop, okay, there's the other loop, then we go on top of the other string here, on top, then behind the other one, okay, see it, behind, and we get inside this hole, okay. Remember, you need to have both the strings like here, okay? It's like little heart or pretzel, okay? And you tension this, tie the knot, very good. And you know if you do it well, because this one is going to, it can move, okay? It can move, but when you apply tension, it doesn't move, okay? Very good. Now we do it with the real string on the bottom. Oh, by the way, in the upper part of your PVC or your wooden dowel, you need to make this dents. You can use a saw. You can use a side of the staircase, or you can use a knife or whatever. If you are going to use knife or something sharp, please tell mom and dad. If not, you can actually make for the stone, okay? You can start like rubbing the stone like this, so you need a very not so big dent, okay? Very good. See you. Okay, let's do it for the real thing, okay? So we have our string. So first we are going to make the curious rabbit, okay? Remember, we need to make like here, put it around here, measure it a little bit, and we do the rabbit hole, okay? Remember the video. Inside the hole goes beneath the trim and back to the hole, okay? Just I need to adjust this thing so it goes over here, okay? Very good. It's a little bit up, so I'm going to adjust a little here, okay? The rabbit pokes in the hole, goes around the tree, and comes back to the hole. Excellent. Here it is. Good. Now let's get to this part. Remember the little holes that we make here, the dents. Okay, let's go to the other side. are going to make over here, and snaps out of it. Nice. Okay, and here we measured that we have this more or less. We put a little bit more strength and we cut it here, so we are going to cut here. Let me go for my scissors, cut it, and come back with you. Okay, so in here we are going to make the tension. Okay, remember, it's one loop, the other loop, we go up and we go back around and inside the hole. So we have it here. And we just need to tension this. Very good, I have it. And we are going to tension the cord, okay? Remember, slip here. Nice. Good. And now we need to put something here. You can use a cap, a soda cap, or a measuring cup. Okay, I prefer this one, so I put it right here. If you need to adjust the tension, just make it like this one, a little bit, give it more tension. Okay, remember to tight very good. Okay. Also, now it's easier if you take out this cap and give the tension to the cord. Okay, very good. Out of tension. There we go. You put back this one here. Nice. And guess what? You finish, okay? I'm going to make another version with the PVC pipe so you can see the other version. But this one, if you like it, this is fine, and you got your instrument. So thank you for watching, and if you continue watching, you see the other version, okay? But if not, that's okay. Bye. Oh, the next version is coming, but if not, bye. The second way that we can do it is with 45 elbows too. Remember, I cut this one in the mark, so it fits outside the bottle. I'm going to put the first elbow here. Make little extension here is like 1 inch. Yeah, more or less 1 inch. Put it here all the way to the so, and the other one goes like this. Okay. Also, very good. And do the other part here. So we have like switch attach. Okay, so let's put the nuts there. The rabbit one goes over here. Goes over the dents that I have here, and all the way the tension cord all the way to of the model. Okay, here, nice. Let's adjust this one here. Very good. Right there. Let's give some tension. Very good. A little bit more. Nice. And then we add the measuring cup over here. And you have your instrument. Okay. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Nice.